What if I told you you are able to make money online by only collecting emails? And this is this video is all about. So stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know. So this is going to be 100% free method. There's no investment upfront needed, and there's no selling activity needed as well. Even though you have no experience before, you could actually do this as well. But you have to stick with me, right? So don't skip any part of this video, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. This is going to be a very handy tutorial, step-by-step, move-by-move tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to dividing this video into two parts, which is first part I'm going to reveal to you the platform and how to make money with this platform as well, and the second part, which is the most important part, and I'm going to reveal to you a website whereby you can get 2,500 visitors for free to send to your offer. All right, so please stick with me because the second part is really crucial. So regardless of whatever offer or whatever product that you have to market online, without visitors is like no point, right? So stick with me because the second part is very crucial. Before we jump in straight to our content, if you first time to my channel or just came across to this video, welcome. My name is Adi Mustafa, and in this channel I talk a lot about make money online, ways and tactics on how to make money online, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so that you can get notified whenever I release my new video. Alright, so let's jump straight to our content. So this is the platform that I talk about, which is offervault.com. Head over to offervault, so you're going to reach this site. So for your information, offervault is kind of like a hub for CPA network. So for information, CPA stands for cost per action affiliates, whereby you're going to get paid when you perform or when you completing certain tasks. For example, in this method that I'm about to reveal to you, is we're going to get email to all these different network as well, and as a result you're going to get paid, right, for that particular task. So this is all the offer available on offervault from the different network over here. So instead of go one by one to these different networks, you just go to offervault to see all the different type of offers over here. Okay, so now what type of offer that you want to promote, right? So as you can tell, there's so many different offer which with so many different payout as well. This one is $15, $1, $30, and do you need to choose this type of offer, the offer that will pay you the most, or something that very least, something like this? All right, so this is very crucial. So this is the reason why I don't want you to skip, because some of my subscribers, some viewers, when they knew about the platform, they just skip my video and just head over to the platform, and they thought they're going to be able to figure everything out on their own. But at the end of the day, they'll not be able to make any dime because they lack of some information, some of the key information that I'm about to reveal to you just a second. All right, so don't skip, stick with me until the end, okay? Especially the part 2, which is the most important part. So now, how to determine what type of offer that converting well, how to determine what type of offer that most people are looking for. It's very simple. So I want to draw your attention to the right column over here, which is trending searches. Okay, this is literally tell you what type of offer that most people are looking for, and this is also a kind of offer that converting really well. All right, so as you can tell, gift card is at number 1. So literally what you need to do is just choose a gift card, right? Because this is kind of like, it's a general offer whereby each and every one of us love to have gift card, right? So some of the gift card is worth 500, some of the gift card also worth 1,000. So people want to save their money, so they want to have a gift card. So I highly recommend you. I can't stress you enough how important this trending searches is. So if you want to choose, just focus on all these 10 offers over here. Right, so now we're going to go to gift card. Just click over to the gift card, and then you're going to lead to all offers that related to gift card. Right, so now the second tips. Okay, what type of gift card that you are going to promote? Okay, as you can tell, the payout rates is so different. This one is very high. So if you're newbie, if you do not know how to choose, how to determine what type of offer is converting well, you're really going to take this one, right? So if I'm a newbie, I also going to take this one, because this is the the offer that pay the most, right? Or at least $36. But I do not want, I really discourage you to choose all this type of offer, because you're going to convert all this visitor into lead, right? So generally they need to submitting some information. All this network required you to help them to get some of information from your visitors. All right, so if you choose something like this, some offers that going to pay you $18, $26, it's going to slightly hard to convert all those visitors into lead, because they are not only require your visitors an email or name, but instead they also require the mail address, full address, and most of them are going to require the credit card information as well. So when the visitors see they're going to need to put their personal information such as credit card, they're going to back off, right? They're going to stop, and they thought, because as you can tell, there are so many scammers out there, right? So when you need to put something that really personal as such as a credit card information, people are going to back off. People going to pull off, and at the end of the day, you're not going to be able to make a dime. You're just going to waste the traffic, right? Especially the free traffic that I'm about to reveal to you. Okay, so that is the reason why that's a very crucial. You need to choose this type of offer, right? The offer, even though this offer going to pay you the least amount of money, $2.50, but who going to give you this kind of money? Just by providing email to them, right? And as a matter of fact, I'm about to share with you 2,500 visitors for free. Okay, so it's okay, it's completely okay, because even though it's going to pay you this amount of money, but they are going to convert very well. Okay, so one of the reason why is because this type of offer, they are only require your visitor or your traffic to give the email address, and the most is only name, personal name, and email address, and then you're going to get paid $2.50, right? So that is still relatively easy. Okay, so now let's take a look at this offer over here. I'm going to click, open a new tab. So this is the detail of this offer. Walmart 1000 gift card. So the category is gift card. You're gonna get paid $2.50. Countries is United States only. Okay, this is also crucial. So you will need to get all those leads from United States of America only. So if you get someone sign up, someone give the email address from India or from Bangladesh, from China, from Spain, you're not gonna get paid. So that is really crucial. I want you to pay close attention to that, right? You cannot randomly promoting this type of offer to any country in the world, because it's only require someone who are from United States of America, right? So no instant description, no instant SMS pirated torrent and everything. This is type of traffic or visitors that you're looking for, and you do not have to worry, because the platform that I'm about to reveal to you, they're not going to promote all your offer to all any kind of this platform. Okay, so if you clear with all this information, just simply click join network. Once you click join network, you're going to lead to this website, or this is the actual website they're going to pay you. So you need to get approved first in order to start promoting the offer. So private CPA. So you just simply put all your information. It's relatively straightforward. So at the end of the day, just click on I agree to private CPA term of service and submit the application. So you're gonna need to wait like couple of days before you get approved. And when you get approved, they're going to send you out the email, and then you will get the link, your special link or your affiliate link, also known as your affiliate link, and that is the link that you need to promote in order to get paid. Okay, so sometimes the link contained in your email, and sometimes you need to get back to private CPA, and you're gonna get your link from the dashboard, right? So once you get approved, you're gonna get link, and then you're gonna need to promote your affiliate link throughout the internet, right? So that is the part one. Now I want you to really focus on the part two that I'm about to reveal to you, which is the most important part. So this is the part 2. Just head over to Simple Traffic. Okay, as for your information, this is the website or the company that's gonna provide you traffic for free, literally free. Okay, so as you can tell, as you can see, get started with 2,500 free traffics on our 5-day free trial. So this is the thing that you're going to leverage with. They also have the paid version, which is if you want to continue with the paid version, you can do it. But in this method, I only going to reveal to you. I'm going to teach you how to get 2,500 visitors for free. Okay, so what you need to do next is just simply click on the start trial. So you're going to land over to this page. So pay close attention, everything that I am about to reveal to you, everything I'm about to explain to you. Okay, so start your free trial. This is the website. Don't simply put random website here. This is very crucial because otherwise you'll not be able to make any dime. Alright, so the website URL you need to put here is the link that sent you out by private CPA network, which is when you get approved, right? You will only be able to get the link once you get approved. So when you get approved, take the link, your affiliate link, and put it here. Okay, that is so important. Okay, and then email and first and last name. This is pretty straightforward. And another crucial thing is this one, location targeting. So as you can tell, this offer only require people or visitors from United States. So you need to choose someone. You need to choose United States. All right, so don't put any random country over here, otherwise you'll not be able to get paid. So two crucial things, your website and the location targeting, and then all device. I really recommend you to choose all device, and this is the package that's available. So 500 visitors for free. You can choose any one of them. It's literally doesn't affect anything to your offer unless you want to continue with this subscription. You can either choose either one of the list available over here. Okay, so I just remain the default and goal. Okay, this one is also pick one goal. So you're going to convert visitors into leads. All right, not visitors into sale, not this one, but convert visitors into leads. Okay, so include free trial. If you want to subscribe, you can skip, but it's kind of waste, right? So why not just include the free trial? You're literally going to get 2,500 visitors for free as well, right? You can track your visitors. This is an option. Just click agree and then create subscription. Okay, so after that, you're going to payment by PayPal. So if you haven't yet already have a PayPal account, you need to sign up with PayPal and then just put your information. There's no charges yet, right? So until you cancel, until you receive all the 2,500 visitors, and then you will only start to charge by this service. Okay, otherwise you will not be charged any dime initially. Okay, so after that, you're going to have your account. So this is my account. I have cancelled my trial, as you can tell. So I am not charged anything. They are not charging me any dime because I've just cancelled. So I just want to show you my result. So I had run a similar offer previously. So the offer require someone from United States as well. So as you can tell, I am able to drive the traffic. I'm able to get the traffic 3,931. So there are small percentage of visitors coming from different countries except United States, but it's not a big problem because most of the visitors is coming from United States. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is so powerful because you literally can get 2,500 traffic for free, which is the most important part in business, right? So regardless of whatever service or product, especially affiliate offer as well. So without traffic, you literally not be able to sell anything online. Okay, so once you receive those traffic, which is 2,500, you can cancel anytime, right? You can go back to your PayPal and just cancel, and that is what I did. And as you can tell, my account has cancelled. This is literally the trial account. Okay, So I hope you got some value throughout this video, and don't forget to try it out and just put on the comment what is your result that you get. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up as well, because it does help my video to reach more people out there. So that's all, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.